Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I am going to show you how to disable camera on Discord. So first, what you'd want to do is go to the Discord website here. So this will only work for the Discord website, so that it won't automatically open your camera and stuff, or it will just disable it and not use it. So basically just go to the top left here on your screen on this gear icon. So I'm using Chrome, so it might be different with other browsers, but it has the same process. So just go with me through this. So just click on this and click on site settings, just like so, and scroll down to see the camera option here. And once you're here, just need to click on the block option. So basically what this do is when you try to open a camera or use an option, or like go to call and open your camera, it will automatically block it and not ask you if you want to allow it or stuff. It will just block it. So let me exit this out and restart this or reload. And now when I try to go to a call and open my camera, as you can see, it will be blocked and it won't ask me if I want to open it and stuff. So that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.